This instructional video shows how to replace toner cartridges in the Kyocera MA4000cifx printer. Your printer will warn you when toner is low with the message, "Toner is low, replace when empty." Make sure you have new toner cartridges on hand. To maintain image quality, we recommend using genuine Kyocera toner containers. Genuine Kyocera toner is engineered specifically for Kyocera printers. Using any other toner that is not genuine Kyocera toner may affect print quality and could damage the printer. Using non-Kyocera toner will also void the printer's warranty. To replace the empty toner containers, pull this lever and open the upper tray until it stops. Grasp the empty toner container and remove it. Put the old toner container into a provided plastic waste bag and seal the bag. The toner containers are manufactured from recycled plastic, so put the used toner container in your recycle bin. Remove the new toner container from its box, being careful not to touch this part of the container or touch these electrical contacts. Shake the toner container back and forth 5 or 6 times. Install the new toner container into the printer. Close the upper tray. When the printer says waste toner box is full, you must replace the waste toner bottle. To do so, open the waste toner cover, remove the waste toner bottle, place the used waste toner bottle into a plastic waste bag. The used waste toner bottle can also be placed into a recycle bin. After removing the new waste toner bottle from its box, open the cap, install the new waste toner bottle, and close the waste toner cover.